So far there is not a single drop in the cave, which is good. Regardless of his quite large waterfall out there. But it's a bit early to celebrate, because by the evening it may all slip through the rocks and arrive here as well. Nice, I like that. If it wouldn't touch my cave. For a garden it's good, especially in summer when there is few months no rain. Couple of times a month some extra water from the up there. Only thing, it damages the leaves of the plants here above the cave, above the pond. That's the only issue.